Looking at the Dremel Stylo Plus and a couple of great crafting ideas you can do with this tool. So the Stylo Plus is a corded rotary tool, variable speed. It's nice to be able to adjust that depending on the job that you're doing, but just a quick size comparison between a more standard size Dremel tool. This is the 8240. There's the size of that one, cordless version, compared to the little Stylo Plus. So as you can see, this one really excels at intricate detail work. So with the tool unplugged, just press the collet lock and you'll be able to easily swap out your bits that you need. And we'll put in that 0.08 inch tip and try some glass engraving. Included wrench will snug things up. So you can get some nice effects, etching glass like this decorative cougar print, and you know this doesn't take hardly any skill at all. A novice can jump in right away and make a little project like this. But let's switch it over to a sanding wheel. Other accessories include a wire brush for cleaning and rust removal, various size polishing pads and polishing compounds for brightening up metalwork, and a variety of other carving and engraving bits. You can also get some optional accessories that'll help you finish the edge of veg-tanned leather. All in all, the Stylo Plus is a really versatile tool, and you can see how that extra small size is great for finesse or detail work. So if you're looking for a new Dremel tool and you need something that excels at that fine, intricate work, I would say go with the Stylo Plus.